business in post-COVID era, a paradigm shift. There cannot be a time better than this one to talk about how textile business will be once this particular COVID gets over. But when we say post-COVID era, we are not very sure what kind of timeline we are talking about. Is it this month? Is it next month? Maybe 6 months down the line? Maybe 1 year? We don't know. So what kind of shift is likely to occur post-COVID, particularly in textile business, is the topic for today. I welcome you all on behalf of the Textile Association of India Ahmedabad unit. This opportunity to thank the President, Shri Hasmukh Bhai, who is also the Member of Parliament of Government of India, Shri T.L. Patel, Shri Harish Bhai, and Shri A.D. Patel, all office bearers, and all other people who are helping to make this program happen. Okay, so this particular program is divided in two parts. The first part, I'll be making a small introduction to the whole concept. And in the second part, Mr. Vikas from Vastra app will be making a presentation. So let us start with the first part, my presentation. Next slide, please. Next slide, please.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. COVID-19 is first and foremost a global humanitarian challenge. As we all know, never before this kind of phenomenon has happened on this earth, on this globe. Thousands of health professionals are heroically battling the virus, putting their own lives at risk. Governments and industry are working together to understand and address the challenge, support victims and their families and communities, and search for treatments and a vaccine. So this is what kind of current scenario. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Next slide, please.
Hello, Vikas.
Yes, sir. There is some problem.
So what kind of actions that institutions can take, given the constantly shifting landscape and uncertainty ahead? Thinking about return as a static plan could be ineffective. What's needed is a return muscle, as written by McKinsey report, an enterprise-wide ability to absorb uncertainty and incorporate lessons into the operating model very quickly. Companies and governments are looking to adapt, should develop lasting capabilities that comprise this muscle, harnessing the speed and discipline exhibited during the crisis, building capabilities for the next normal, what is sometimes also referred as a new normal, at scale within your organization, and monitoring, learning from the environment to bound uncertainty faster than ever before. Next slide, please.
Yeah, I have sent it.
Yeah. Now let us look at, as we all know, China was the first country to be affected by the virus, and that also is again the first country which has come out of this particular virus. So what is happening in China, particularly post COVID-19 trends? Now, if you see, Chinese consumers are gradually regaining their confidence, and some of the data as given by McKinsey, in that you can read 50% of the consumers are optimistic that the economy will recover soon after the end of the outbreak. Now, what kind of changes which have been brought since COVID? And the first thing you can read is the digitization. Digitization means doing everything digitally as far as possible. It's something which is new for some generations, has started occurring. Stickiness of digital rather than 55% consumers are more likely to buy groceries online. Leading RE firms use virtual showrooms with in-house sales force. Even traditionally, physical dominant sectors were forced to go digital, that is direct to streaming, film distribution bypassing cinemas. So next slide, please. Next slide, please.
Yes, yes, it is coming. Mhm.
Thank you. The four forces that are shaping the next normal, what we in India we call as the new normal, is the metamorphosis of demand, an altered workforce, regulatory uncertainty, understanding of the virus. Let us not talk about the last three, but let us talk about the first one, metamorphosis of the demand. Increased online sales is not a new phenomenon. Of course, we all know that the Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, all these companies have been doing wonderful sales online, but it was mainly limited to the customers who are a little younger. So that is not something a new phenomenon, but the speed with which new generation of consumers have gone online, 20 to 60% more consumers are now digital. This is something new. During the lockdown period, starting from say March for the entire world and March particularly for India, more and more consumers are shifting to digital business. This has led to a metamorphosis of demand that is unlikely to reverse quickly because now it has become kind of habit for everyone to remain digital. It is also generating entirely new patterns of behavior. Switching, for instance, has accelerated in a world of lower overall consumption. Access to the digital consumer dollar is shaping the new resilience. So let us not talk about the other issues like an altered workforce, regulatory uncertainty, because our topic today is going to be more focused on digital. Next slide, please.
Sure.
So if you take metamorphosis of demand in slightly more detail, particularly for B2B and B2C, that is business to business and business to consumer. So lockdown, as I said, has accelerated digital adoption, which is driving entirely new patterns of consumption. Now, if you see some of the values which are presented, again, this is from a McKinsey report. So new consumer is more willing to switch across the brands. Percentage of consumers who switch and intend to continue are shown in the graph. For new brands, 18% consumers who have already switched and 64 intend to continue to switch. New websites, new grocery stores also. The new consumer is refocusing towards domestic and local activities. Okay, so this change is not just restricted to B2C, B2B customers. B2B customers are also similarly changing their patterns. Okay, next slide, please.
Sure.
So adoption of digital sales channels is also on the rise. Consumers are accelerating adoption of digital channels. As you can see, across all industries, the number of consumers adopting digital channels have increased. Also, B2B decision makers, which were pre-lockdown era, were about 34. Now it has almost doubled, 66%. So you can see the sales interaction in B2B, we are mainly talking about the sales interaction. Now it is starting getting digitally enabled. So this kind of shift, I'm just putting one or two examples. Next slide, please.
Sure. Is it visible?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
So in the wake of pandemic, consumers in India have reported major increase in the use of digital and low touch activities across categories like delivery services, at home entertainment, education, food staples, shopping, communication, health, and fitness. So you name it, and people have started switching to digital or low touch activities where you don't have to make much of the contact. So adopting digital technology and analytics to transform businesses will be one of the key priorities for corporate India in the post-COVID-19 period, as such technologies can generate enormous values. Next slide, please.
Yes.
So
Is it
executive,
visible?
not yet. Yes, executives are planning for a prolonged economic downturn. As we all know, we don't know the end of this particular pandemic. Is it going to end this month, next month, or 6 months down the line? We don't know. So executives are planning for a prolonged economic downturn and for an uncertain environment that could follow an eventual recovery. Five priorities for corporate India in the next new normal after COVID-19 can be, as per McKinsey report, making balance sheets and cost structures more resilient, reshaping business portfolios for greater value creation, embedding digital and analytics to transform businesses and build new ones, building greater safety, flexibility, and productivity into operations, embracing system thinking in corporate decisions. So adoption of digital technology and analytics can generate enormous value, as we've been discussing. The pandemic has a wake-up call to embrace advanced technologies and to digitize sales and customer experiences in both business to consumer (B2C) context and B2B context. Companies also hope to rapidly digitize their supply chains and manufacturing operations. As we can see, a lot of shift has already started occurring. Next slide, please. This is the last slide. So, all is well that ends well. Whenever we talk about recovery, this is as per Wazir advisors, recovery pace will vary across the segments. So if you look at the segments, apparel, home textile, footwear, consumer durable, electronics, two-wheelers, cars. So pace of recovery, if you see, apparel is going to be the number one item. So people are going to switch back to apparels very soon, but cars come at the last. So probably people will think about cars maybe quite later on. So we should not lose hope. I mean, apparel is going to be the first category, which is going to recover very fast. So with this, I will end my presentation and I'll hand over to Mr. Vikas to take it forward and talk more about how digital platforms, particularly in B2B, B2C kind of activities, can help in the new normal scenario. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful information you have provided. And this is really a very good insight that the apparel industry is going to be the recovery the faster in compared to all other you can say all other markets. So this is very hope and this is very good information which provided by Ashwin sir. So okay, so I'll welcome you all to the Ahmedabad TiE event, and I welcome thank you so much the TiE event members, secretaries who have given us this chance. So just quickly, as sir told, we'll not talk more about the current situations. As sir has described, everyone, all markets are down and the businesses are down from last 2-3 months. But now we'll talk about how we can win with these situations. So you can say there are 4 plans we can execute. One is to prepare a very good, robust survival plan in this situation. This, as sir told, this situation may extend for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. So you have to be prepared with a very robust survival plan. With that, at least whenever the market start gaining, you can be a very major player in this situation. So be prepared with a robust survival plan. Second is align your marketing efforts very smartly. Then make your business truly digital. We'll talk more about this digital part. And this can be achieved by working harder and smarter. So let us see what experts are telling about how you can run this situation, win this situation. So for manufacturers, the top priority now today is increase their productivity. In that, if we increase the productivity, automatically the cost of products and then everything will be decreased. So number one is you have to increase your productivity. Second is now manufacturers are showing, like you can say, if before COVID, what happening is, like I have shown some designs, some samples. If I like the samples, I can right away create samples on my guts. Instead of that, use the data, use the technology, what customers are demanding, and create those designs which customers are demanding. So you have to keep your eyes open for the market, what is the trend, what is going and all. Another change which we are seeing is you will be, as a manufacturer, you will be getting many small orders which you have to quickly deliver to the customers, and these applies in all customer segments, like whether it is a sari, whether it is a unstitched dress, kurtis or shirt, jeans, any apparel industry, you will be getting a small orders and quick deliveries will be expecting from you. So you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared yourself to execute these such situations. Also, you have to keep checking all the trends. Like currently, we can see the low product range are demanding more. Then there are antiviral, antibacterial demands of the clothes are coming. Then PU coated denims demands are coming. So you have to keep your eyes open that what are the situation, what are the trend is coming, and what your business can play a role in this current demand. So you have to keep your eyes open and be ready with your business strategy. If we talk about marketing efforts, so we'll not talk more on fancy marketing efforts, but it's a very simple. Keep talking to your customers. Keep them communicated. How retailers are demanding, how wholesalers are demanding. Keep in touch with your customers, what is going in the market, in their market. So you'll get updated about the market trends. Then regularly send the updates on how you are taking measures to fight this current situation. So you can send them WhatsApp, like what measures you are taking to this COVID, what changes you have done at your office. So people will not afraid that they are very safe with doing business with you. So you have to keep sending your customers updates regularly that what steps you are taking. Then give them facilities, like as sir told before in their presentation, that you give them a digital platform where they can give you they can check out your all designs and they can give you an all digital order online easily. So you have to be your business ready with such tools and technologies, and give your customer confidence that you are safe with doing business with you. If they feel safe, they will definitely going to do more and more business with you in this situation. Another part which is very important, like a truly digital business. So the first point here is do business with a social distancing. So I can say keep your carriers, keep your staff members, keep your customers safe by not using these manual papers and the old methodology which we are using. Instead of that, use a digital platform, use a WhatsApp that you can digitally send the carrier slips to them, you can digitally send the orders to them, or you can use our platform as well. We'll check out more on detail. Then adopt a technology which enable you to work remotely. For example, in this current situation, we are seeing the markets are opening in a odd even systems. There is a limit in the time for the opening the market. Then sometime happen that if in your area the cases are increasing more, then they again might be restriction on opening the market. So you have to adopt the technology which allow you to enable a work remotely from anywhere, anytime. So you should adopt this type of technology. And the another part is the platform which you are using. The you can say the business data is playing very important role here. So you have to be take your business data very efficiently and make a smarter decisions on top of it. If we talk about the manufacturer's pillars, so I can say the first pillar is the sampling and creating a sample and creating a design catalog. The another pillar is production and purchase department. The other is sales department, inventory management and accounting management. So these pillars are creating a manufacturing business very strong. So make your pillar run digitally without any dependency on any person. So how you can use these pillars in a digital form where your business can run very efficiently. So we'll check out quickly how Vastra can help you manage your this business easily. So I'll just share my mobile screen. So this is a simple mobile app. In Android, you can download the app. Once you download the app, your organization first step will be you have to register your organization. So with the simple steps, you can register your organization, your brand name, your detail, your GST number. Once you fill this is a multi-user app. So as a second step, you can add your all team members like your sales managers, your production managers, your karigars, your agents. You can add all these in your team members first. Whenever you add them as a team member, now they have access of your organization. They can right away download the app and get committed into your account. Now the app start with a design catalog. So how digitally you can maintain your design catalog? This is how you can maintain your design catalog. All your designs will be stored in this format. The detail which you can store on our platform is like, this is the multiple design photo you can add, design name, design number, what is the rate of the design, in which this is the specification of the design, like this is a rayon material, this is embroidery design material. So you can maintain all your tag here. You can maintain on which size the design is available, with which color the design is available. So all information of that particular design you can maintain in a design catalog. Then you can maintain a recipe kind of concept where you can write that this is the kurti. The first step is these are the material is getting used in this design. So we are telling this concept as a design recipe. So you can maintain your design recipe with very simple step. What are the job this design is needed? So you can say these are the job, number of days are there. Once you write this, the flow will automatically go through and your efficiency will automatically improve. So you can store your design likewise. Now if you want to share this design with your customer, what you can do, you can right away share this catalog with your customers with a get online order feature. So this is one feature where all your customers, you can bifurcate your customers with an agent, with a customer category, with a city, and you can share these with your customers like this. Now also you can share these details on a WhatsApp to the customer, like share design history. The customer will automatically get one message, and this type of message will send to the customer that as a customer you have shared a design with you. Now your customer will open the link. You can right away check out your brand, who have shared the design, the customer detail, and all the designs which has been shared by you. They can right away check out all the designs, and they can also zoom the designs if you want to check out. Now the customer can give order online by entering a quantity. You can right away add a 24 quantity. Yes. So all designs have 24 quantity now. if he have to add any specific note, he can right away add a note also in this, and he can place an order online right away. Now the order has been placed in your system. How you can check that particular part? You will get notified that this order has been come from this customer. And now if you go into a sale order, under approval tab, you will find that these are the online orders I have get from my customers. If you go inside the customer, all the detail like customer, how many quantity he is adding, all the detail will be there. Automatically the order has placed. Now you can approve this order or you can reject this order. If you approve this order, your customer will get notification that the order has been approved, and now it is come into your pending section. So you can plan delivery of these design with a simple steps. So this is how you can maintain your design digitally and share your catalog with your customers, and they can right away give you a order at their convenience. The another option is, if you want to send these photos in a WhatsApp format, what you can do, you can right away select our photos, share to your customers. All your branding detail will be pasted on the photos runtime. This is how all your photos will be shared to the customers. Everywhere your branding will be written, whatever is your brand name, you can right away tag your brand name here. And the detail of the design number, rate, what are the heavy dupatta with rayon, these all information will be shared to the customer on a single click. So this is how you can digitally maintain your design catalog and get an online order easily. The another pillar. We have talking about the sales and design catalog part. Now we'll talk about a sales order part. How you can make your sales channel digitally. So whether your salesman is going out or your customer is coming into your office, you can do one thing: create sale order, select customer. You can right away select a customer. You can right away add items. What are the items on which you are getting the orders? You can select these type of items here. Done. Now, which size, which color, all the information you can right away create. 24 pieces, 12 pieces. Also, you will get a information like, in this design, these are the inventory available, these are the production pieces, and these are the pending orders. So right away you will get all the information which is required to take order, and you can take a smart decision based on this decision, based on this data. So once you click on save, the order is created now. You can right away share this with your customer. You don't need a paper copy. You can right away share this with your customer with a digital order form. This is how it will share. This will show your all the details, the customer detail, your customer detail, and the design photo with a reference. So this is the design, what is the color, what is the size, what is the quantity. All information will be shared to the customers like this in a WhatsApp format. So this is how the PDF will be shared to the customer. So you can keep your customer safe by not giving them a manual order copy. And your customer will be more than happy to see this digital order form with a small reference photo. So this is how you can enable your sales channel digitally. Also right away you will get many reports in kind of insights, like what are my customers order, what my design order. And another part, you are getting a very intelligent insights, like what are your trending customers, what are your trending designs are there which is running in particular part. For example, if you check out that from last June to last October, which of my designs are running more, you can filter or your design, and you can check which are the concepts which are going more in this particular season. So you can check out all your trending designs. You can check out all your trending suppliers to whom you are giving goods, and it will give you more detail like particular supplier is how much percentage it is stock clearance of percentage of particular supplier. So all this information you will get on a single click. So this is how you can complete digital your sales channel. Also you will get a data in a graph format like monthly how sales is happening, how delivery is happening. So you can keep your eyes on your data and take a smart decisions based on this data. So digitally you can maintain your complete sales channel with with a simple step with your team members. Your current team can contribute very well with this app. The another pillar which we are talking about is a production cycle. So this is, you can easily create a production slip to the Karigar on a single click. For example, you can right away select your Karigar. You can right away select your material information, what material you are giving to the Karigar, the quantity which you are giving. Now the program, which design you are giving. Okay, so this is the design which you are giving for production. Is it a kurti, is it a fabric, it is a sari. You can right away tell what is the job rate. Then how much pieces are going to be come from this design. So for example, if my average is 2.5, the 200 pieces will be done. So this is how with the simple steps, you can create a production slip and keep your Karigar safe. You can right away share this digital job slip copy to the Karigar with this detail. This is a sample design. How much quantity it will be there in this design. You can right away share this digital copy with your customers, with your Karigars, and with your job workers. Now you will get a lot of insights on top of it. So if you check out the Karigar reports, all the Karigar having like how many pending designs with all Karigar you will be getting on a single click. For example, with this Karigar, I'll be having this design of 500 pieces, this design of 100 pieces. So all the details you will be getting on a single click of all your production slips. If you want to take out print of this particular copy, you can right away take printouts. This is how you will get all information design wise, how much quantity, what are pending quantity and all. So this is how you can maintain your complete production management. You can right away check out all the design wise production reports, how which are the designs are in production currently. You can check out t-shirt, in which job currently it is going. So this is how you can complete manage your design catalog, design wise production report, supplier wise usage report, how many purchase are there and which job it has been used. So all the purchase has been tracked easily. So you can maintain your complete production management with your current team in this situation digitally, and you can right away get all the information, all the insights on a single click. All your job slips, how many pendings, what are the completed, and then if one particular design is going in a multiple stages, then right away you can create a multiple stage on a single click. For example, these are the pieces. Now I can transfer with this design to any another Karigar. Transfer design, I am transferring to which Karigar, transfer design, how many pieces I am transferring. So this will create a trail of one particular challan, one particular lot on a single click. So complete information you will be getting, that how your number of days, what are the timeline is getting affected in your production cycle. Everything will be coming on a single click. This is how you will get a complete report on all your production cycles for particular design. So you can right away manage your production department digitally with very efficient way with a simple mobile application. Secondly, automatically this app will help you to sending the reminders to the karigars, sending the reminders to the job workers, to the suppliers. At every day at a 10 a.m. every karigars will be getting reminders that these much of designs you have to deliver today to your supplier. So this is how it will streamline all your follow up easily, automatically. So you don't have to take follow up again and again with your karigars. The another pillar which you're talking about, inventory. So inventory is a very major part today. So you can track all your inventory of a raw material and design on a single click. So if you check out your design inventory, this is how it will show. Now, if you have customer demanded that I want a delivery of, for example, rayon material who has more than 50 order. So you can right away filter all your design inventory, and now you can share this inventory with your customers from here as well. You can right away check out and can share this design to your customers and get order online on a single click. So you can complete inventory will be managed on a single click, all of designs and a raw material inventory. This is how you can maintain your raw material inventory. How many purchases are there? What are the used job slip it is in? So this is how you can complete manage your digital inventory management with a simple mobile app and with a multi-user app. Also, one more important point, for example, if you want to plan for your delivery, what you can do with a smart delivery planning. Can you mute that person, Harit?
Continue, Vikas bhai. Vikas bhai, you're muted. Vikas bhai,
आप एक बार unmute कर दो.
Okay. So with a smart delivery planning feature, what you can do, for example, you have to plan for 80 pieces of parcel. You have to write only 80 parcel piece quantity. Once you click on apply, the automatically based on your order, based on your inventory, it will mix and match and give you a ready plan of a delivery. So this is how the complete plan of delivery will be happen. For example, these customer, you can send this customer this design under this order, and if you want to check out, you will click on a create delivery challan. You will right away get all the information filled. You have to click on save button. So your delivery planning will be done with a single click with a smart delivery plan feature. So this is how you can easily maintain your complete digital production management, inventory management, and your digital catalog with a simple mobile app, and all your accounting part will be now. So for example, if you talk about current textile industry trend, all the accounting is getting digitally on Tally or any other ERP based softwares. But the most of these type of use cases are only working on a manual paper based job slips, Excel based reports, or a cumbersome ERP based softwares. Instead of that, you can right away plan your complete all these pillars of the businesses with a simple mobile app on a multi-user app. So this is how you can maintain all your complete business digitally. And I'll share now the PPT. So this is how the Vastra app can help you maintain your business truly digitally, not only saying, but it is a true digital platform which will help in your business with very efficiently. If we talk about, so as Ashwin sir told, we don't have to lose hope. We have a lot of opportunity in a textile industry. So if we talk about the some of the brands which are following the strategy of diversification to reduce the dependency of China. So India can utilize this opportunity and presents itself a creditable alternative. So you have very huge opportunity where the export business can increase a lot, and dependency on China can be some brands are looking for removing the dependency of China. So India can take that advantage. So we have very good advantage over here. Now the another part is the demand of medical gear such as masks, disposable gloves, hygiene products are booming now. And this is also after this pandemic situation also, this industry is going to boom in this next near future. So you can play a major role here by giving these taking this opportunity, and you can right away take your business digitally easily, and I can say you can right away get this opportunity benefited, right? So with this I'll stop my presentation. If we have any questions, we can have you can raise your hand, or you can unmute yourself, and we can discuss your question.
Thank you, Vikas bhai, first of all, for making very detailed presentation on how a small mobile app can do a lot of things for particularly people who are in the sales, marketing, production, logistics, etc. But at the same time, let me first of all thank Sri Ashok Juneja ji, who also has joined our meeting, who is our national president of Textile Association. So I think we can request him to unmute and share his words. Juneja ji?
Yeah, Ashwini bhai, thank you very much for giving me opportunity. You are hearing me?
Yes. Yes.
I think it was a good initiative, and the coming time is of digitalization only. I think it was a need of the hour, and you have taken a good, Ahmedabad unit has taken a good step to hold this webinar. And I think my best wishes, already you have got a very good presentation by Vikas, and I think deliberation will be very useful for all the attendee. And once those who are not able to attend, I think you may be able to send the recording of this deliberation, and it will be useful for all. So once again, thank you very much for involving me and giving me opportunity to say a few words. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Juneja ji. Now, if anybody has any questions, they can unmute and ask. As Juneja said, I'll also request WhatsApp, if they are recording this particular program, then they can share this particular recording to us so that we can further share it to our members. Those who have missed it, they can again go through the whole presentation.
And
Sure,
even we can put on our website also for the benefit of our member. If you don't have any Vastra don't have any issue, we can put on our website also.
Sure, sir,
Link.
sure. We'll share the recording link to Ashwin sir.
So probably they may ask the questions directly to you, Mr. Vikas.
Sure.
They may connect with you directly. So I take this opportunity to thank everyone who have joined on this particular webinar. There are a few participants who have joined across the country, like Juneja ji has joined probably from Bombay or Delhi.
Delhi.
So as we can see, we have participants from various locations. So this is the benefit of being digital, that you don't have to travel, you don't have to move. Simply you have to spare your 1 hour, and you can interact with a lot of people. So these are kind of benefits once we go digital.
Ashwin, can I ask one question to Vikas? Whether this app is only useful for the garment manufacturers, or it can be used across the whether spinning, weaving, or garment, anyone?
Okay, sir. So we have currently focused on the apparel industry, where the manufacturers like kurtis, sarees, dress, jeans, shirts we have covered. We have created a flow for these type of manufacturers. But yes, we would like to we can discuss more on the weaving part, or on any other opportunity we will be getting. So we would love to explore more on that part.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Because
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening. I want to ask some that this one is only for India or we can do abroad also.
Okay, so as of now, this app is available in India only, but we can connect and get available for you as well.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
The last person who asked the question can name the country from which he's talking about.
Yeah, hello sir. I am from Canada, Thailand, and Bangkok.
Thailand.
Yeah, Thailand, Bangkok. I am your student, sir.
Oh,
1997 batch.
what is the name?
Hardik Jaradi,
Hardik. Okay.
Vijay
Fine.
and Palak and everything.
Yeah. Hardik. Yes. Great that you could join today's program.
Yeah, I got the link, so better
Yeah,
to.
you can connect with Vikas further
Yeah,
later
sure.
on, and he'll be able to provide you whatever guidance you need.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hardik, for joining from there.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Most welcome, Hardik.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, I mean,
yeah.
Anybody would like to ask anything? Okay. Fine. So, Vikasi, shall we end the program?
Yes, sir. So I would really thank you, the complete Thai team who have given this wonderful opportunity for us. And please connect us you can check out our website, and you can get contacts from Ashwin sir as well if you don't find it. Thank you, Ashwin sir, for this wonderful opportunity.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Vikasi, for making this program very interactive, very interesting, and very timely. The most appropriate word would be very timely, because we'll be very soon, very fast shifting to the digital world. Low touch technologies is going to be the buzzwords of the future. So it was very timely that we start talking about various kinds of apps, various kinds of other digital platforms, which can help us in our routine textile operations. So thank you for making this program very interesting. And thank you all participants, Textile Association Ahmedabad unit, for making this particular program happen. So in future, we'll also try to come up with such interesting programs. Thank you all for joining. And stay well, stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.